So hi friends, welcome back to my another video of my YouTube channel. So you can see this is which I made another my aquariums which I have. You can see this is my Oscar. Here my copper Oscar and then albino Oscar. Then this is my golden fish aquarium and this is my catfish bowl. Then this is my Buddy's Floweron tank. So friends, in this last video I said you that I'll be adding for my outdoor pond some fishes for this which I made. It was full empty, so today the chance came. So I have been brought here some fishes. I will introduce to you and I will show how to release by fishes. So hope you enjoy this video and please don't forget to like. Let's start the video. So friends, now this is my outdoor pond. You can see last video I have been showed. This is my outdoor pond. You can see. First I will introduce my fishes which I brought today. You can see. Friends, this is a zebras. This is a dozen of zebras which I brought. You can see here. This is a dozen. I mean one dozen. It is 12. This is 60 rupees. It's cost 60. You can see there the dozen. I will next show which I brought. So friends, this is my next fish. You can see here. This is our mollies. I brought 1 dozen zebras and see 1 black, 2 orange and 2 whites. You can see friends here. These are my 2 fishes which I am introducing today. Tub pond. You can see here. You can see here friends. You can see here zebras and mollies. Let me accumulate for my pond. First, how to accumulate I am showing. This is the packet. Don't release the fishes directly. We should keep the cover like this. You can see. I am accumulating the fishes. Let we accumulate them for 15 minutes. Okay friends. So till then friends, let they accumulate for 15 minutes. Then I will introduce my plants which I have been grown with me and my father have been grown. This is the outside next to my house. You can see this is a tap connection for my ponds. So let's see. This is a Spetica plants. You can see here. Then these are onions. Then this is a something that's a friend. Then this is Spetica. You can see here one potato. You can see this is my next to my house small garden. You can see. I'll make another video of my which I have been grown here. This is one row which I have been grown. Then this is she's my friend. She came to. Then this is a jasmine plant. See, you can see. See friends, this is my entire. Then this I showed that time. From that jasmine plant which is growing towards our terrace. You can see. See friends. You can. And here are some another plants. You can see. I will go to terrace and I will do. See friend, this is my father. Say hi father.
Hi. Hi to everybody.
See friend, this is my me and my father have been grown plants. You can see of my plants introducing about them. Can see here. This is a plant up to terrace. Can see. This is my terrace. You can see here, friends. There are so many plants which me and my father have been grown. This is down jasmine, which I showed you last. Just you can see this came to till here. Then this is one tomato. You can see, friends. This is my terrace. Such a big terrace of my house. You can see here. Then these are my friend's house. Next to that, you can see. See, friends, full surrounding is greeneries. You can see here. You can see there a Rottweiler. You can see there. See, friends, this is one more of mine. Another jasmine plant which I showed you down. It has been grown very tall. See, friends. See, you can see there the Rottweiler, the aggressive dog. You can see there. This is my. You can see there is surrounding sides. You can see sides which have been here. So many houses are constructing there. Here you can see so many coconut plants around my house. You can see, friends, how much it is there. This is my solar. I'll show one video about my plants which I have been grown. Surely I'll make one video about them. So, friends, you don't think that I have only fishes, but I have another pet also, which I'll be introducing them in another video. Such, I don't have a dog. I like to take a dog, but my father he don't give me permission to buy the dog because it gives so much expensive. No, but dog was not expensive, but its care is very expensive. Like you can see, my father is coming up. He's only. You can see our friends, so much greenery surrounding. You can see down where we used to play. You can see here such a big ground. You can see there the aggressive Rottweiler downwards. It is very aggressive, which bite to my friend. I think the Rottweilers are very aggressive dogs in the world. I think not in the world, but I think it is very aggressive. You can see, friends, how it is greenery surrounding my house. So, friends, let we go to my accumulating fishes pond. I think they will be accumulated. Let's go and see, friends. So, friends, it has been over 15 minutes till now accumulating. So, let's we release the fish. I got here a cutter.
7 7s are 49.
First, I will cut this ribbon. I have been collecting a lot of these covers of my. Whenever I used to visit the aquarium, which they will give the fishes in the back, I used to collect them lot. So I will not waste the covers. I hate to remove that rubber band, how they have been put. So let me remove the both ribbons of my back fishes. and then we introduce them to my pond. I am removing second poly bag. Be careful, friends, when you also removing with like this cutters. So friends, I have been successfully removed the ribbons of my both fishes, mollies and zebras. So friends, one second. So friends, before you introduce to your fish tank or pond the fishes, take in a net to introduce. Don't put this cover directly to your pond, because the old water of aquarium have been having so much parasites of this. So like this, the fishes of my pond, you can see here, it jumped. You can see here, friends, I'm leaving them. So I got just 2 whites and 2 oranges, 2 whites and single black I have been got. You can see here the black is very colorful with mix white and black. You can see here it is orange also. So friends, I have been removed the mollies which I am having. So I will be throwing this cover water to my plants. So friends, I have bought a small net. You can see here the small net of small for. I cannot hold them in my hand because they are very small and they will move very fast. You can see here, friends, I am releasing them. Total I brought 2 zebras. I left now 3. I used to count them because I cannot believe how much the shopkeeper has been kept this bag. Even my friend also helping with me. Total 5 over. Eight. Ten.